to our guide on how to cook boiled eggs to perfection. Whether you prepare the soft, medium, and hard, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First one is the soft cook, 3 to 4 minutes. The second one is the medium cook, 5 to 7 minutes. And the last one is the hard cook, 12 to 15 minutes. Poach egg. Boil water and place eggs into a small container. Once the water boils, gently put the eggs to cover the egg yolk with the white. When it's done, remove them. Scrambled egg. Heat the pan and once it's hot, crack the egg and put it in. Stir it until whites and yolks separate, then cook until done. Sunny side up. Heat the pan and once it's hot, crack the egg and put it in a pan. Cook until the whites are solid but the yolk is still runny. Basted egg. Crack the egg when the pan is heat and cook on top by spooning warm butter or oil over the top of the yolk. Omelette. Heat oil in a pan, then beat an egg in a small bowl. Pour the beaten egg into the pan. Cook until the bottom is set, then flip it over. Fold the egg and peeling the middle. Over hard egg. Heat oil in a pan. Crack the egg once the bottom is cooked. Flip it and when both sides are done, remove from the pan. That's all. Thank you.